been for ages.
It's more Costco, isn't it?
Yeah, Costco, like, fights break out. Like, Costco is hardcore. But yeah.
We need to get bottled water.
We do. We're in the car. Anyway, we'll see you in a minute. Bye.
Yeah. What you got there?
What have you got?
You got Chippy, Bella. You happy now?
What's on mine?
Boy. Yeah. No. It's not nice. Alright.
Bella's very first Ikea meatball.
That one. What that was? What?
Really? The whole thing? Anna.
2 minutes in, me and Jess have already had an argument because she doesn't know the measurements of our living room, and she seems to think that this small sofa is wider than the wall to the fireplace, where she's wrong. You are wrong.
I'm not wrong. I'm not wrong. You're
I think you are wrong, to be fair.
I'm wrong. You're wrong.
You are. All right. What's 512 times 2?
1024.
Shit. I'm gonna get this one here. No, this one down here then.
It's too big.
How's that too
I
big?
don't know what mansion you think we
How is that too big?
Like, Trevor obviously thinks.
Shut up. Oh yeah, I'd just like to mention, now that Jess is done with her little kitchen pet project, it's my time for my pet project. I am going to transform the garage into my own little man cave. Jess, I think we should get a plant in a glass.
Why?
Why not? And people wonder why I don't want to go shopping with her. Go on girl, reach. Shaking what your mama gave you.